Hello my friends, my name is James Heideba and I'd like to introduce you to Boris. So who the heck is Boris? Well, Boris is an example I use as a manager of who owns the problem. It's like a monkey on your back. You know, as a manager, you have enough monkeys on your back, you know, and they come from different ways and different places and through different situations. And so when you're interacting with your team members, you want to make sure who owns the monkey. Does it belong to you as the manager? Is it a problem you have to solve? Maybe it's a training or a coaching problem. Maybe it's a process problem. Maybe it belongs to them, the advisor. You know, it's something they should be doing, they're not doing, or something they're doing that they should not be doing. But so what we have to figure out, does it belong to them? Does it belong to me, the manager? Or is it something we share? This is not a friend. This is something that makes your day difficult when we're not clear about who owns the problem. So an effective manager clearly articulates what they expect, and then they inspect what they expect on a regular basis. So if you're unclear about what you expect from people and you don't support that expectation with the training that's required, with the role playing that's required, with the coaching that's required, then indeed you're probably going to have a lot of these on your shoulder. And I know some days you go to work with the great expectation, you're going to have a great day, and throughout the day you're going to drag yourself home and you're going to say, oh, I hate my job because I'm filled with all these monkeys. Problems that maybe some of them don't belong to you. So one of the questions you want to ask yourself is when you're dealing with an advisor and you're trying to solve a problem, is try to determine where the problem exists. Is it on their hands? Is it on your shoulder? Or is it something you share? I, as a manager, had one of these monkeys when I was a manager of advisors, and when they would come and meet with me, I would just grab the monkey and hold on to it, and they knew what this symbolized. And what's really interesting about having a monkey like this is that what you're doing is you're saying symbolically but concretely, this is a problem, this is not a good guy, this is something that aggravates either them or myself or both of us. And so let's try to figure out where it belongs. Once we determine where it belongs, if I as a manager, it's something I'm not doing that I should be doing, then I need to step up. If on the other hand, it's one of the advisors not doing something they should be doing, they need to step up. So go out and get yourself a monkey. Thanks. Bye now.